GMI Global Mission Resource Center. My name is Ekata Juliet, and I'm here to take you on a tour around the center. Please come with me. The reception area of the administrative block, and we have portraits of Archbishop Margaret Idahosa and her husband, the founder of CGNI, Archbishop Benson Andrew Idahosa. We also have a map here that shows global status of the evangelical Christianity. Over here, front desk office, and this is our front desk officer. Her name is Ms. Doris Omokaro. Ms. Doris, how are you doing this morning?
Fine.
Good morning. We're taking a look at your office. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Here is Resource Development and Training Office. Let's go in and take a look. Hi, Mr. Togore.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're just taking a look at your office.
Okay.
How's the work going today?
Thank you very
Hope you're
much.
doing so good.
Yeah,
Okay,
very well.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, after taking a look at this place, we'll be going over to the administrative and mission operation office. It's down the hall. Please come with me. The finance and admin office. Let's go in and take a look. This is our finance officer. Good morning, madam. How are you doing? How are you doing this morning? How's the work going?
Thank you. Welcome.
We're just on the tour around the office and the center. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, ma'am. We are going over now to the missions operation office. Please come in. This is the office of the executive assistant to the executive director of the center. He is presently not on seat. He's on an official assignment.
Okay.
We still have a lot of offices upstairs, so let's go up and take a look at the office. Please come with me. Going up the stairs, you can see portraits of early missionaries. We call them heroes then and now. This is to enlighten people on the works of these missionaries. And in between the portraits, we see flags of countries where CGMI is currently present. We are up now, and the first office to my right is Research and Data Management. Let's go in. Hello, good morning. Mr. Francis is our research officer. Mr. Francis, how are you doing this morning?
I'm fine.
Please, can you tell us a bit on what you do? What are you researching on presently?
This is the research department and data management office. What we do here is we collect, we analyze, and we process information for storage and for retrieval use for those who will be coming to the center to know more about missions. That is what we do here.
That's very nice. So you've collected a lot of information?
Yes, currently we're working on Burundi, on the nation, East African nation, on the missionaries, the churches there, the state of the gospel there, the progress being made in Bible translation. That is what we do.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Francis, for receiving us in the office.
You are welcome.
You have a nice day. Thank you.
Bye.
Leaving the research and data management office, the next office is the boardroom. This is the center's boardroom, and it also serves as a prayer room where we gather 12 noon every day to pray for nations of the world using Operation Word as our prayer guide. And we also have portraits of Archbishop Margaret Idahosa here, our mama, and we also have one of Archbishop Benson Idahosa. The red dotted lines on the map represent the area where Archbishop B.A. Idahosa took the gospel to. He traveled around the world preaching the gospel in over 140 nations. Over here is a map showing the world, and areas indicated there are areas of the orange indicates the restricted, the red indicates the hostile, and the green is the monitored area. We use this map to pray for the world. Whenever we call up a nation, we look at the color of the map and we know what to pray more about for the nation. Now we are going to the directorate, the office of the executive director. But the first office here is the office of the permanent personal assistant to the director, which is my humble self, Juliet.
Okay.
Over here is the office of the executive director, Reverend Gloria Uchefuna. She is currently on a visit to the U.S. Center for World Missions.
Let's go.
Having gone through all the offices in the administrative block, we are now going to go to the resource center to take a look at the offices there too. Please come with me. Resource center, and we are going in now to look at the training room, the library, and the e-resource room. Please come in with me. You are welcome to the reception area of the resource room. And to my right is the training center, which we call Archbishop B.A. Idahosa Training Center. Let's go in and take a look. This training center has a capacity of over 70. It's fully equipped with the state-of-the-art teaching gadgets. We have a functioning public address system. We have screens to assist us in our training. And we also have maps of the world. We have portraits showing early missionaries, heroes there and now. We are now going to the e-resource library.
No, wait.
We are standing on the door of Dr. T.L. Osborne's library. Please come with me. This library is currently housing books, missionary books, CDs, bulletins, DVDs, all Vision. We have Operation World here too. This is the desk of the librarian, currently not on seat, out for official assignment. And over here is the e-resource room. We are going over now to the e-resource room. This is our e-resource room with computers fully connected to the internet. And we also have Xerox multipurpose printing machine to meet our printing needs. After taking a look at the resource center, we are now going to go outside to look at our guest house because the center intends to run a missionary guest house which is presently on site. Please let's go. Site of the guest house that the center intends to run this year. Thank you so much for coming around the center with me. I hope you enjoyed the tour around the center.
Oh, yeah.